Gee, wonder where Grover is. He's late for our hike.
Oh, here he come now, on a bicycle. Hey, everybody! Sorry I am late, but I was trying out my new bicycle. Oh, boy, a two-wheeler. Can me try, Grover? Certainly. Oh, boy. Oh, this nice bicycle, Grover. Nicer than mine. Oh, it is just newer, Cookie. You can have a turn too, Farley.
Gee, well, I don't know if I can ride a two-wheel bike. I never tried.
Oh, go ahead. It's easy, Farley.
I told you, I can't ride this thing.
Oh, don't give up now, Farley. You were starting to do better when you fell off.
Yeah, Farley, you try again now.
Well, okay. Here goes.
Oh, that's better, Farley.
Yeah, Farley. Oh, that's good.
Whoa!
Don't stop now, Farley. Keep trying.
You're doing fine, Farley. You did just fine for a first try, Farley.
Yes, you did, Farley. You did not quit after you fell off. You kept trying. You're not quite a bicycle rider yet, but you should feel good that you not give up. We better get started, everybody. I will lock my bicycle and let us go on our hike.
I can hardly wait to start collecting things.
Me have good idea of what me going to collect. Me going to start collecting food. Me starved.
No, Cookie. We just got started. We have to climb to the top of that hill first. Then we can eat.
Oh, me never going to make it. Got to eat very, very soon. Me so hungry.
Cookie Monster, we're not at the top yet.
Oh,
Come on, you can make it to the top. Everyone is ahead of us now.
oh, that easy for you to say. But you not have Cookie Monster tummy. Me so hungry. But me try. Oh, me so hungry. But friends waiting, so... Oh, but me so hungry.
Oh, boy, they're here.
I am so happy you did not stop, Cookie Monster.
And I'm proud of you, Cookie Monster.
Proud of me? Why? What me do? Can you kids tell me why they proud of me? Turn off the sound now.
Why, you didn't stop and eat your lunch, and that was very hard for you, Cookie Monster. You waited so we could all eat together. That's why we're proud of you.
Well, me proud of me too. Great. Now, we all together, so that means we can eat.
Okay, everybody, we can all start to collect our nature samples. We'll meet back at the pond at the bottom of the hill.
Gee, I don't know what I'm going to collect. What are you going to collect, Grover?
I think I will collect pretty leaves.
Maybe I'll collect rocks.
Me know what me going to collect.
Oh, look at this beautiful speckled rock. I think I'll add it to my rock collection. Gee, Bert has a great big rock collection. He's been collecting rocks for a long time. I've only just started. Maybe I'll collect lots of rocks. Nah, I'll just take this one. And this one. And this one. Maybe I better start heading back to the pond to meet Farley, Grover, and Cookie Monster. They'll be wondering where I am. This is the path back to the pond. No, wait a minute. I think this is the path here. Or is this the path? Oh no, I'm lost. I don't know which way to go. What am I gonna do? I'll be lost in the woods forever, and my friends will never find me. Help! I'm lost. Help! It's me, Big Bird. Come and find me. Oh, they can't hear me. Maybe my friends were looking for me, and when they couldn't find me, they just gave up and went back to Sesame Street. That's silly. They wouldn't leave me in the woods all alone. I've got to stop getting so scared and calm down. There must be some way to find out which path to take. I remember. The path with the log across the middle of it. Oh boy, I was pretty smart to remember that log. I know I'm on the right path now. Gosh, now where do I go? Oh, there's the funny rocks that look like a snowman. I know I passed by those rocks on my walk. Now I have to bend down real low under these branches so I won't get my feathers caught. And the pond should be real close by. Boy, I can't wait to show everybody my rock collection.
Oh, there you are, Big Bird. We were worried about you. You were gone so long.
I was worried, too. I went for a walk when I left you, and I got lost. And then I figured out how to find my way back. I'm proud of myself.
Big Bird, that is wonderful. Once when I got lost, I just kind of sat there until someone found me. Next time you go for a walk, do what me do. Leave a path of cookie crumbs as you go so you can find your way back. And have snack, too.
I've never been lost, but if I ever am, I hope I can be as smart as Big Bird.
Gee, thanks, Farley.
Gee, Big Bird, look at all the rocks you collected. And I only got 3.
Do not sound so disappointed, Farley. It is true that the Big Bird has collected more rocks, but he has not collected any just like yours. The rocks you found must be very special.
I didn't see any rocks like that. Maybe I'll trade you some of mine for one of yours, Farley.
Gee, now I feel better. I guess I didn't do so badly after all. Well, even though I didn't collect as many as Big Bird, I can be proud of my rock collection because mine are different.
Me would show you what me collected, but it in me tummy. And delicious, too. Okay, time to go swimming. Let's go, everybody.
This water isn't very deep, but it sure feels good. Oh, last summer I took swimming lessons, and now I can swim without anyone helping me.
Hairy Monster taught me how to swim. Me like to swim on back so me can look at clouds that are shaped like cookies. No one taught Grover how to swim, but I bet it is easy. So I, Grover, am now going to swim. Gangway! I could not stay up on the water. I guess being able to swim is not as easy as I thought. I wish I could swim like Farley. Me too. He's a terrific swimmer. But me swim the best me can. Well, if I cannot swim, maybe I can learn to kind of float and kick my legs.
Cookie and I will help you.
Yeah, me have life jacket you can wear that hold you up above water. Here, Grover, put it on. Oh, that is very attractive. Are you sure that this thing will keep Grover up? Oh, yeah, and Farley and me will be right next to you.
Now, just put your legs and your arms out.
I don't know.
Yeah, and float.
Oh, Farley.
That's it.
Oh.
Very good, Grover.
Oh, I'm floating! Oh, I do not believe it! I am still on top of the water. I did not sink. Oh, what a wonderful and cute little jacket. Oh, look at Grover. I am moving. Hey, come on, everybody. We will all go around the pond. Oh, boy. Whee! Oh, I feel so good inside. Hey, kids, why do you think that Grover feels good? Okay, turn off the sound now. I feel good because I learned to do something that I never did before. Next time I go swimming, I will try to learn how to float without the life jacket.
Oh, me hungry. Almost got the cookies. Time to go home.
Oh, I'd hate to go home. I was having so much fun.
Well, it is getting late, and I'd like to show everyone my rock collection. Oh, boy, we sure did have a good time on our hike.
That is very true.
Yeah.
Each of us had a good time. I guess because each of us is good at doing something.
Grover is a good bike rider. He learned how to kick his legs in the water.
Farley is a terrific swimmer, and he found these different kinds of rocks, too.
Big Bird collected a lot of rocks, and he found his way when he got lost.
And Cookie Monster got to the top of the mountain without stopping for his lunch.
But Cookie even prouder of something else.
What's that?
Me save one cookie for walk home.